Hey guys, it's Sonia Miller of Junk Monkey Paint Company and Matt, my awesome co-pilot here. Man, speaking of pilots, do you feel like you have been professional drivers this week?
I am a pilot.
This week, I'm pretty sure if you put Matt on autopilot, I don't know, somehow in his sleep he would just make it like to the shop, to the house, and to our new house and back, right? No problem at all in his sleep. We have had lots of
Rain.
experience. No, I was gonna say experience driving this week. And rain too. Everything's rainy. Let me hang on to you so you guys don't fall to the side. So all this week, I'm gonna say like pretty much every day this week, we have driven on average about 5 to 6 hours a day. Yeah. And it's been a lot of work this week, but now we're on the other side of it.
We drove about 1,500 miles this week.
It's been, and then of course on top of the driving, it's to gather things, bring it back, so we're pretty exhausted. Yeah. And so today we're on the other side of that now, and
still driving.
I was gonna say, I'm excited because I told myself that now we've gotten through some big, hard things that we had to do in our business, and at this point, like, I just, I have no plans to go and do a long distance drive anymore, and here we are this morning, driving to Pittsburgh. But this time it's for pure pleasure.
Social, yeah.
Yeah, pure pleasure. So it's not like we're about to scrub floors, wash walls, haul boxes, sort junk, you know what I'm saying, and just move things in general, loading and unloading. So let's stop for my coffee here at McDonald's. So today we're heading down because Matt is part of, if you follow the vlog last year, I think it was in December, right? This past Christmas, we got Matt a gift, and he is part of the Stein Masters Club at Hofbräu House in Pittsburgh. And today they're having a brunch, like a social brunch. So we're gonna head down, find something good to eat, and there's that Goodwill next door. I can't wait because after eating some good things, I think we're gonna walk off a few of those calories and head over to Goodwill to see what we can find. So I'm excited. It's gonna be a good day. I'll never figure out why Matt doesn't like coffee as he sips his energy drink. I love coffee. I had him taste my coffee last week. I got one from Starbucks, and I don't often get them from Starbucks, but it was good. I'm like, girl, hook me up with something like, low, no sugar, right? Basically. Anyway, he tested
I love the flavor of cream with dirt.
He did not like it, and probably because mine was not mixed sweet at all.
Well, I don't like it sweet either. It just tastes like dirt mixed with sugar.
Well, not like that, but it's good to me. I love that.
I don't mind the smell of coffee.
Yeah.
I don't like the flavor.
Oh, I love the smell of coffee. I love the taste of it. Everything about it.
Absolutely.
So guys, because we're on the road this morning and I'm getting my coffee at McDonald's, I grabbed this out of my kitchen cupboard. I love this. It's Torani, I guess it is. It is caramel syrup, but it's sugar-free. I'll get my cream in there. I'll put a little bit of my sugar in there. So who drives through McDonald's with this, right? Don't touch me.
Yep.
And now we wait.
That's Jimmy.
What's Jimmy?
That's Jimmy.
Oh, you know Jimmy? Monday, June 3rd, free McDonald's travel mug. Travel mug? I need that, and it's free. Look, Monday, that's at 7 a.m. Can I get up at 7 a.m. on Monday? That would be so good for me and all my coffee that I drink here. I need to be here at 7 a.m. on Monday.
Yeah, you knock yourself out. Right.
I need the McDonald's. If anybody's seen a McDonald's travel mug.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh yeah. That was a lot of fun. We ate wonderful food. Matt drank some wonderful beer. And now we're gonna walk it off and we're gonna walk up to Goodwill. It's absolutely gorgeous. It looked like it was almost gonna storm while we were eating, but it didn't. And yeah, look how beautiful it is in Pittsburgh today. So guys, I have to tell you that was my first time junking at a Goodwill in the city because I have lived rural. You know what I'm saying. They're easy to get to, they're in the little towns, that sort of thing. But I've never junked right here in the city, like I'm in Pittsburgh today. And I have to tell you, I didn't know what to expect. There was lots of people in there just walking off the street. All the kids and stuff probably were just like loading up in all kinds of furniture for dirt cheap. If they only knew that, yes, you could paint it, right? Just grab some junk monkey and go to town. That would have opened up an entire new world. But there's a lot of pieces there that, man, I wish I could have fit today. I am in the car. Of course, you guys knew we came down here for pleasure, to enjoy today. And so whatever I'm taking back with me can fit in the car. So I did find some good stuff, but they're small things, and I'll share those with you later. But here is what I do know. I am coming back here with a van. I have figured out where the parking space is for the Goodwill here in this part of Pittsburgh, and there was so much good stuff in there, and look at all those prices. Even Matt, you were surprised, right, with the prices?
Yeah.
And there was a lot of stuff. So yes, there was a lot of people shopping in there, but I'm gonna tell you, that Goodwill had more stuff than my local Goodwills that I'm used to going to, and I'm sure because of the population around here that there's even more incoming. Like as I was leaving, there was a girl rolling out like more stuff, and I'm like, that's good stuff. So anyway, it was a good scout day today. Got some smalls for the house for decorating. Matt found some good books, and all in all, it was a great visit, and I know I'm going to be back. Some days, that's just what you do. You go out and you just kind of like forge, and you go like, all right, this could be a good watering hole. I will be back. So mark my words, I'm going to take you guys back on the vlog, and we're going to load up on furniture, and then we're just going to paint furniture for like weeks straight. I can't wait. We're getting there. We're getting there. Once we get the garage all fixed up, my art studio, and that is the next thing that we'll be working on as well as part of the house, is getting that all figured away, and that way we can do some live Facebook, maybe some live Facebook furniture paint challenges. Would you guys be down for that? Let me know below. Thank you guys for subscribing to my daily vlog here on YouTube called Living the Creative Life. I appreciate you guys following my story, following my journey. It's awesome to hang out with you guys and take you along with me as well on my travels. Be sure to give us a big thumbs up here, me and Matt. We love the love, and leave us a comment below. Tell us if you enjoy these vlogs, or tell me, like, do you thrift in cities, or for you has it been smaller areas as well? Because my mom was blown today in a good way. All right, I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye.